India's defense manufacturing sector has added something unusual to the mix. It is their airships. Very nice. And you know what could help? You flying in to like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Truly motivates us, and it always helps us to keep going and stay ahead of the curve. Always very kind of you. Now, Bharat Forge has signed a memorandum of understanding with French aerospace company Flying Whales to jointly develop and manufacture heavy lift airships in India. They are said to have a specific focus on defense applications. Now, the machinery at the core of this is the Flying Whales LCA-60T. It is a 200-meter long, helium-filled rigid airship capable of carrying up to 60 tons of cargo. Wow! It can actually load and unload cargo while hovering in place, which means it doesn't need runways, ports, or heavy ground infrastructure to operate. But when we think about the high altitude terrain in Ladakh or the Trans-Himalayan connectivity projects, roads and airstrips simply don't exist or take years to build. Yeah, there's a huge issues there. Therefore, this development makes it very useful for reaching remote terrains, which are exactly the kind of locations that matter most for defense logistics along India's borders. Now, Flying Whales had signed an MOU with TCI back in February to explore civilian airship logistics. In April, it partnered with BLP Group to set up a final assembly line in Tamil Nadu, wow, which is the third global industrial hub. And just weeks ago, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman met with Flying Whales president in Paris to discuss building out a full manufacturing ecosystem in India. Now, Bharat Forge's MOU adds a defense-focused manufacturing partner to that growing list. And given Bharat Forge's track record, that's quite a meaningful addition, to be honest. It has a history of partnering with global defense and aerospace firms to localize manufacturing in India, be it, for example, armored vehicles with South Africa's Paramount Group, or air defense systems with Israel Aerospace Industries, or for that matter, unmanned aerial vehicles with Wind Racers. Bharat Forge definitely gets it going every time it collaborates. Now, the company's defense order book now stands at roughly about 114,000 crore rupees, and its aerospace revenue is on track to keep growing this year. But with this airship pact, what it does is that it facilitates that expanding defense and aerospace strategy, and that too directly. And here comes the front page take, directly. What's notable here is actually how quickly airships have gone from a novelty pitch to a genuine multi-partner Indian industrial push. But the real test, although, is execution, because, well, MOUs signal intent for sure, not so much delivery. We've seen that in the past. But if it works, India gets a very reliable logistics option that doesn't really exist anywhere else in its current toolkit. So here's the question, as always. Could heavy lift airships actually become a serious part of India's defense and infrastructure logistics? Or is this a promising technology still years away from proving itself at scale? Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This is Ladies and Gentlemen's Front Page by the AM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.